HTML forms are used to collect information from the user. Forms are defined using the form tag element, with its opening and closing tags. Use the action attribute to point to a web page that will load after the user submits the form. The method attribute specifies the HTTP method, get or post, to be used when forms are submitted. See below for description. To take in user input, you need the corresponding form elements, such as text fields. The input tag element has many variations, depending on the type attribute. It can be a text, password, radio, URL, submit, etc. The example below shows a form requesting a username and password. If we change the input type to radio, it allows the user select only one of a number of choices. The type checkbox allows the user to select more than one option. The submit button submits a form to its action attribute. HTML colors are expressed as hexadecimal values. As you can see, there are 16 values there. 0 through F0 represents the lowest value, and F represents the highest. Colors are displayed in combinations of red, green, and blue light (RGB). Hex values are written using the hashtag symbol, hash, followed by either 3 or 6 hex characters. As shown in the picture below, the circles overlap, forming new colors. All of the possible red, green, and blue combinations potentially number over 16 million. Here are only a few of them. The bgColor attribute can be used to change the web page's background color. This example would produce a dark blue background with a white headline. A page can be divided into frames using a special frame document. The frame tag defines one specific window, frame, within a frame set. Each frame tag in a frame set can have different attributes, such as border, scrolling, the ability to resize, etc. The frame set element specifies the number of columns or rows in the frame set, as well as what percentage or number of pixels of space each of them occupies. Use the attribute to specify that a user cannot resize a frame element. Frame content should be defined using the src attribute. Lastly, the NoFrameTag element provides a way for browsers that do not support frames to view the page. The element can contain an alternative page, complete with a body tag and any other elements.